Now let's do this question on relative speed again involving two cyclists. There is one cyclist from Kitale and another one from Kakamega, so they are going to meet somewhere along the way. We are told that a cyclist traveling at 15 kilometers per hour left Kitale at 8 a.m. for Kakamega at a distance of 70 kilometers. Another cyclist left Kakamega for Kitale at 8 a.m. Then, if they met after 2.5 hours, find the speed of the second cyclist. So you can just sketch what is happening here. One point is Kitale, another point is Kakamega. So the distance between Kitale and Kakamega is 70 kilometers. The one who begins from Kitale starts the journey at 7 a.m. The one from Kakamega starts the journey at 8 a.m. So meaning this one starts the journey 1 hour earlier than this. The difference in time is 1 hour. But now, the one moving from Kitale to Kakamega is traveling at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. But the speed of this one from Kakamega, we have not been told. Let it be x kilometers per hour. So, let us find the distance traveled by this one who began the journey earlier, 1 hour early. How much distance will he have covered in that 1 hour? So distance covered in 1 hour by cyclist from Kitale. Distance is given by speed times time. The speed of the cyclist from Kitale is 15 kilometers per hour, and the time, the difference between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. is 1 hour. So he will have covered 15 kilometers before this one starts the journey. Now, out of 70 kilometers, how much distance is still left? So you can resketch it this way. We have Kitale and Kakamega. So this one will have covered already 15 kilometers. So the remaining distance here is 70 minus 15, which is 70 minus 15 is 55 kilometers. So this is the relative distance, the distance apart. So the cyclist from Kitale is here, and the cyclist from Kakamega is here. So they have 55 kilometers in between them. They are going to meet somewhere along the way. But we've been told they met after 2.5 hours. Remember, the amount of time that is going to be covered in this, the amount of time that is going to be taken in 55 kilometers, we exclude 1 hour that has been used here. The 1 hour that the cyclist traveled 15 kilometers is excluded. So out of 2.5, we only have 1.5 left. 1.5 hours left for both of them to meet. So this is the distance apart, and the amount of time taken for them to meet is 1.5. So relative speed they are going to meet, so they are moving in opposite direction, so we add the speeds. The speed of the one from Kitale is 15, the speed of the one from Kakamega is x. We said let it be x. So that is the relative speed. We know that time taken to the meeting point, that is 1.5 hours, is given by distance apart, which is 55 over relative speed. So from here we can get the value of x. So this is the same as 1.5 or h over 1. When we cross multiply, we get 1.5 multiplied by 15 plus x. And this one is 1 times 55 is 55. We open the brackets. 1.5 times 15 is 22.5. Plus 1.5 times x is 1.5x. Everything equals 55. So when we rearrange this one, take this one to the right hand side, we remain with 1.5x equals 55 minus 22.5. So 55 minus 22.5 gives 32.5. So 1.5x is 32.5. So x is 32.5 divided by 1.5. 21.67. So while the one from Kitale is traveling at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, the one from Kakamega is traveling at a speed of 21.67 kilometers per hour.